To begin the dam, I will simply click on the side of the ditch to start the dam, and double-click on the other side of the ditch to end the dam. If I am unhappy with the location of my dam, I can click on the Delete Dam icon and I can delete the dam. After this, I can click on the Draw Dam icon once again and redraw my dam. One of the really useful things about this program is my dam doesn't have to be straight. If I want to put a curve or a bend in the dam, I simply use a single click every time I want to change directions. Again, when I get to the endpoint, just double click. You can edit the points of the dam if you choose. After drawing in my dam, the next step is to determine my watershed. To begin this step, I will click on the Draw Watershed icon. When drawing my watershed, it is sometimes easier to identify my watershed if I use the terrain layer. The terrain layer is located in the lower part of the Pond Builder toolbar. The terrain layer will override the imagery, and so if I want to get back to the imagery layer, I have to turn off the terrain layer. After I have drawn in my watershed, I now need to draw in my flow line. The flow line is needed to determine the time of concentration. For the time of concentration, I want to determine the longest distance water flows in the far end of the watershed down to the dam. The longest flow line is not always obvious. Oftentimes, I can draw multiple flow lines. The software will automatically track the longest flow line. I find it easiest to start at the low point of the dam and draw the flow lines upstream. At any point in time, I can clear my dam, the watershed, or the flow lines by clicking on the Clear button. If I clear my flow lines, only my flow lines will be removed. If I clear my watershed, both my watershed and flow lines will be removed. However, if I want to start over, I clear my dam and all the information I have entered will be deleted.